Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up shipping here in Bigcommerce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Bigcommerce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Setting up shipping in Bigcommerce involves configuring shipping zones, rates, and methods to suit your business and customer needs, which is very essential for ensuring a smooth customer experience, maintaining cost efficiency, and of course, maximizing sales. Once you are logged into your account here in Bigcommerce, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard, right here, and go to the settings. Now, all you have to do under setup, you would notice that there's going to be the shipping option, wherein you have the power to control the store's origin address, shipping zones, and shipping services. Okay? Now, I want you to click on it. What will happen is you would notice that these are some of the options that you can control. The shipping origin is the address where you ship your products from, all right? Like countries, states, or even zip codes. Right now, this is going to be my address. And if I wanted to click on edit, right here, you have the power to choose any of the address that you wanted, all right? So you might want to click on submit after that. The next thing is you might want to go to the checkout shipping options. You can manage your shipping zones, carriers you want to offer to your customers within the checkout. Now, if you haven't already figured out, just click on add a shipping zone. You can have two options, add a country zone or add a custom zone. If you click on the add a country zone, what will happen is you need to select a country. For example, I'm going to be using United Kingdom for one. Click on submit. All right, so I have now two shipping rules, all right? I have added United Kingdom apart from United States. If you want to delete one of them, all you have to do is click on X, right? At the bottom, it says shipping address form display. You have two options here. You can control which countries are shown in the country drop-down at checkout when shoppers enter their shipping address. Do you want to display all countries regardless of the shipping settings, or only display countries when the shipping method is available? For now, I'm going to choose the first one. And of course, I'm going to select the changes, save the changes later. Now, in the advanced shipping rules, Shipper HQ takes control of your shipping options at checkout with these integration, all right? If you want to install Shipper HQ, you might gonna click on this button. We have a separate video on how to use Shipper HQ here in Bigcommerce. It's a more advanced and diving deep into this platform, all right? But I just wanted you to know that you have the option. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of that. Now, the Shipper HQ is basically the ultimate solution for managing your shipping experience at checkout. So you don't have to think about it because Shipper HQ will do all of the work for you. The thing is, it offers a generous 15 days free trial, but after that, it's gonna be $75 per month. All right. If you don't want that, just hover back again to the main menu earlier. Now, if you wanted to put in out of delivery zone message, for example, the message will be shown to shoppers outside of zones you have set up for delivery. If it's not available in your region, okay, so you might want to put that on this display note here. If you want to edit this, for example, I'm going to edit this message. Click on submit, and you have already taken care of the out of delivery zone message template. And the shipping labels, if you want to install ShipStation, basically it's a native label printing powered by ShipStation. You can manage orders, create and print shipping labels from within Bigcommerce. If you want to choose that, you might want to click on the button. We also have a separate video on how to use ShipStation. It's going to be an in-depth tutorial. But for now, again, similarly to the app earlier, you have like a free 60 days trial. After that, that's going to be $9.99 per month. And all I have to do is click on install. You can now take control of the shipping and delivery experience with ShipStation, and you can have all these perks and advantages like ship with UPS, USPS, Canada Post, Royal Mail, Australia Post, DHL Express, and more. All right. But for now, I'm just again giving you some options. Now after that, I want you to go again to the settings since the shipping has already been set up. All right. The next thing is back again on the shipping settings. You might want to check the configure your carrier settings. Where is that? It's going to be around here. Click on edit. And these are going to be the options. You can use free shipping to improve checkout conversion. You can increase order value at reduce abandoned carts. If you don't want that, just turn it off. You can also turn off the charge a fixed shipping cost per order and per item. And you can also calculate the shipping cost on order value or the total weight of items. If you want to give more values for that, click on edit. You can put in the display name, for example, this, and change shipping by weight or by order total. So I leave that to you. You can put in the default shipping cost. For example, it's going to be 6.9. Type is dollar, or you can put in the percentage of order total. You can put in a value from here and up to on the and give it a cost. All right. Once you're done that, click on submit. And if you want to change shipping on Bigcommerce, you can also put in the customers can pick up and collect their orders from a physical store's retail location. And if you wanted to have a real-time shipping codes, if you have an account with FedEx, just click on the connect and you would be forwarded here. All right. You see, these are going to be the settings. Drop off type is going to be you choose one. Is it going to be a regular pickup, request courier, Dropbox, business service center, or station? For example, station. You can choose a packaging. Is it going to be a FedEx envelope, FedEx pack, box, tube, and a lot more? For example, I'm going to be choosing your packaging. Packing method is going to be all items in its package. Rate time is account rate. Can also include package value. And then on destination type, you can put in commercial. All right. Delivery is going to click all if that's applied. And the connection right here, just click on submit. All right. And of course, you can put in the same process goes to UPS and USPS. Once you're done that, click on done. Now, if you have a separate video on how to add products here in Bigcommerce. But I just wanted you to know when you add products here right now, for example, this, I'm going to run through very quickly. On the very bottom, you'd notice that the shipping section has been already fixed, right? The shipping details is going to be, you see that? You can put in a fixed shipping price and the free shipping if you wanted as well. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.